and welcome to the 16th episode of Fridays at Frontline. My name is Sarah, and I'm going to be your host. Today we're going to talk about something that gets a little bit more fun for those of us on the creative side. Almost every project that we get to do the installer work on comes with a little bit of customization and making sure that it's exactly what the customer needs and wants, and it fits safely in the way it's supposed to. But we have a couple of projects we get every once in a while that are full-blown custom installs that we get to really be creative and have some fun with. Take this out-of-service ambulance, for example. One of the agencies we work with was able to acquire it for their police department to be turned into a mobile command center. By utilizing the skills that our installers have to do that custom work, we've been able to add a radio up in the front console and back here in the back of the unit, a new docking station for the computer, a printer for all the paperwork, and of course upgrading those outdoor lighting to a new light bar and some blue reds on the outside to make sure that it matches that police scheme. We've been able to repurpose this entire ambulance by doing some great custom work so that it can now be extended in its life in this fleet and purposed as a command center. Every once in a while we get requests for covert applications. So we get to get a little creative with where we hide lights, how we hide them, where their functioning is as far as their siren switches and push buttons, and we get to turn a typical consumer car into something that works as a covert law enforcement vehicle. We're able to take a typical civilian model vehicle and keep it covert for you by finding all sorts of places to tuck and hide that emergency lighting so that whether you're on the road or just needing to not be seen and fit in, you can do that. But when you need that emergency lighting and need people to know you're there, you have that capability. We can also set it up with scene lighting, so you can get that bright white floodlight to light up an area when necessary, make it safer for the scene you're on. And of course, we're able to do that nice, steady burn, red-blue, cruise lighting so that people just know you're there and available for them if needed, even if you're in a covert car that they wouldn't typically think is a law enforcement vehicle. I hope you enjoyed checking out some of the really cool projects we've got going on here at Frontline right now and some of the custom ideas we've got to come up with to go in those vehicles. If you get a chance, check us out on social media, comment below, and we'll send some swag your way. We look forward to seeing you next time on Fridays at Frontline.